Hi all, welcome back. So our next disease is next chapter is Sarvasara. Sarvasara Rogas. It is mentioned in Mukha Rogas. In Mukha Rogas, last one is Sarvasara Rogas, and Sarvasara Rogas, as the name mentioning, it is Sarva Asya Roga, Sarvasara. Like how we studied in Shalakya's paper Sarvakshirogas, right? Like that, here in mouth, it is affecting all the regions of mouth. So it is known as Sarvasara Rogas. We'll see in detail. First is enumeration. Sarvasarastu Vada Pitta Kapha Shonita Nimittaha. This is from Susro Samhita Nidanasthana 16th chapter. Sarvasarastu Vada Pitta Kapha Shonida Nimittaha. So, how many Sarvasara Rogas are there? Vada, Pitta, Kapha, Shonida, Sarvasaraha. So it is mentioned 4, but actually it is only 3 number. Vada, Pitta and Kapha. Pitta and Rekta are same. So we have to consider that as 3 only. So Vada, Pitta, Kapha, and Pitta and Rekta as 1. So it is 3 in number in Susra Samhita, but it is 8 in number in Ashtanga Hridaya. So Vada, Pitta, Kabaja, Rektaja, Sannipadaja, and other 3 disease also. That is Arbuda is mentioned, and Pudyasyata is mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya under the Sarvasara Rogas, and also Urthvaguda. That is the 3 other diseases mentioned other than this Mukhapaga. This Sarvasara Vada Pitta Kapha is Mukhapaga. Mukhapaga is ulcer coming inside our mouth. That is Mukhapaga. That is causing by Vada dosha, Pitta dosha, Kabaja, and in Ashtanga Hridaya you can see Rektaja, Sannipadaja. So 5 types of Mukhapaga is there. Along with that 3 more diseases. So total 18 number according to Vakbhadacharya, and Susruta mentioning only 3. Vada, Pitta, and Rekta together, and Kapha. So 3 in Susru Samhita and 8 in 8 in Ashtanga Hridaya. So that difference is there. So Mukhapaga 5 types is mentioning, and Putyasya, Urthvaguda, and Arbuda. So 3 additional disease. So here only Vada, Pitta, Kapha. There it is Vada, Pitta, Kapha, Rekta, Sannipadaja plus Putyasya, Urthvaguda, and Arbuda. That first one is Vadaja Mukhapaga. This is from Ashtanga Hridaya. Karodi Vadana Asya Vadanasya Anda Vranan Sarvasaro Anilaha Sancharino Arunan Rukshan Oshto Tamro Chalatvajo Jihwa Shita Saha Gurvi Spudida Kantakas Chida Vivarnodischa Krichrena Mukham Pago Mukhasya Saha Karodi Vadanasya Anthaha Vranan Sarvasaro Anilaha. So Sarvasara Vyadi caused by Anila. Where it is causing Karodi Vadanasya Andaha Vranan. It is causing a Vrana. Where it is causing Vadanasya Andaha. At the end of the mouth. So Vadanasya Andaha Vranan Sarvasaru Anilaha. Sancharano, how the Vrana looks like Sancharano, it will change its place. Sancharano, it will see in one place, then it will go to other place. So it is Sancharano, Arunan. So which color? It is red in color. Rukshan Oshto. And how the Rukshada will be there. Oshto Tamro. And how the Oshta looks like, lips looks like Tamra Varna. So it is Tamra Varna. Chalatvaju. And the skin will be coming out. So Chalatvaju. Jihwa Shida Asaha. How the Jihwa will be Shida Asaha. Intolerable to cold. Gurvi, and it will be heavy. Spudida Kandagas Chida. Spudida, there will be cracks, and also Kandagas Chida. How it looks like thorns. Kandagas Chida. Vivarnodischa Krichrena Mukham. how the mukha, how you, when you open the mukha, krichrena, very difficult to open the mouth. Vivranodischa, opening where mouth, krichrena, it's difficult to open the mouth. Pagu mukhasya saha, that is known as Mukhapaga, caused by Anila, Vadaja Mukhapaga. So, according to Ashtanga Hridaya, what is happening? Vada getting vitiated and causing Vrana, where Vadanasya Andaha, inside the mouth, the end part of the mouth. And what is happening there? How the Vrana looks like? It is Sanjarano. It is not seen only in one place. It will be coming in some other places and all. It will be jumping here and there, that Vrana. Arunan. Arunan means the color of the vrana is red in color, and there will be Rukshata also because it is Vadaja predominant, right? And Oshta, how the lips looks like, it is Tamravarna and Chalatvajaha, and the skin will be moving. Chalatvajaha and Tamravarna. Jihwa Shida Saha, and Jihwa, how the Jihwa is? Jihwa cannot tolerate cold. Sida Asaha. Guruvi, and it is heavy. Spudida, there will be cracks in the jihwa, and Kandagaschida, it looks like thorns in the jihwa, in the tongue. Vivarnodischa krichrena mukham, and it is very difficult to open the mouth. Mukham, pagu mukhasya saha, that is known as Vadaja Mukha Paga, that is Vadaja Mukha Pagam according to Ashtanga Hridaya. According to Susra Samhita, Spodehi Satoda Vadanam Samantad Yasyaschidam Sarvasaraha Savadat. So Spodehi, spoda means like vesicles, it will be that vrana, it looks like a vesicles along with pain, Satode Vadanam, inside the mouth, that is known as Vadaja Sarvasara or Vadaja Mukhapaga Yasyaschidam Sarvasarosa Vada. So that is only mentioned in Susra Samhita. So it is mentioned in Susra Samhita Nidanasthana, and it is mentioning that there will be spoda, there will be vesicles, and there will be pain along with Satoder Vadanam. There will be pain inside the mouth, and that is known as Vadaja Sarvasara. So this is the Lakshana for Vadaja Sarvasara. Next comes the Samanya Mukhapaga Chikilsa. Before going to Vadaja Mukhapaga Chikilsa, Samanya Mukhapaga Chikilsa is mentioned in one sloka. It is from Ashtanga Hridaya, Uttarasthana, 22nd chapter. Mukhapageshu sa shaudra prayojya mukhadavanaha. Kwadida, Kwadida, Tripala, Pada, Mridviga, Jadi Pallavaha, Nishtevya, Bhakshayitva, Kuderadi, Gano Athava. So, Mukhapageshu sa shaudra prayojya mukhadavanaha kwadida tripala pada mridvika jadi pallavaha. So, you have to make decoction using tripala, pada, mridvika and jadi pallava. And what you have to do, mix that with shaudra, honey. You have to mix this kashaya with honey, and mukhadavanaha, you can use that for washing the mouth. So, mukhadavanaha, so you can do kabala. So, Mukhapageshu Sakshaudra, Kshaudra, where we have to mix with the Kashaya prepared with Tribala, Pada, Mridviga and Jadi Pallava, and we have to use that for washing the mouth. So, that is one yoga. And Nishtevya Bhakshayitva, and what we can do, we can take these medicines, Nishtevya Bhakshayitva. First, we have to put this medicine in the mouth as such and chew it, and nishtevya, and spit it out. That is also a treatment for Mukhapaga. Tribala, Pada, Mridviga and Jadi Pallava you have to take and put it in your mouth and ask the patient to chew, and then after chewing ask the patient to spit it out. Bhakshayitva, nishtevya Bhakshayitva. Kuderadi Gano Athava. Otherwise, instead of these medicines, you can use Kuderadi Gana. Kuderadi Gana is mentioned in Annaswarupa Vijnana. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Annaswarupa Vijnanam, Kuderadi Gana is mentioned. So, we can use Kuderadi Gana for Mukhadavana and also for this Bhakshayitva Nishtevya. You can put that Gana Dravyas in mouth, you can chew that and spit it out. So this is also a treatment for Samanya Mukhapaga. In all types of Mukhapaga, ulcer inside the mouth, we can give this treatment. So Mukhapaga, Vadaja Mukhapaga can be compared to stomatitis. All the Mukhapaga, the ulcer, we can compare to stomatitis. So hope you understood Samanya Mukhapaga Chikitsa. Now we will go to Vadaja Mukhapaga Chikitsa. मुखभागे अनिलात् कृष्णपड्वेल प्रतिसारणं तैलं वादहरैः सिद्धं हिदं कबलनस्ययोः. मुखभागे अनिलात्, in anila mukhabaga, in vadaja mukhabaga, krishna paddu ela pradisaranam, you have to do pradisaranam, that ulcer, with what? Krishna Paddu means Saindava and Ela. So Krishna is Pippali, Saindava and Ela. You can do Pradisarana in Vadaja, Mukhapaga, and also you can go for Kabala and Nasya. Kabala is what? Yeah, keeping the medicine in the mouth, and you have to rinse it and spit it out. So, Tailam Vadaharehi. So, Kapala and Nasya can be done with Taila prepared with Vadahara Dravyas. So, the Vadahara Siddha Taila can be used for doing Kapala and Nasya. So, in Mukhapaga caused by Anila, you can do Pradisarana using Pippali, Saindava and Ela, and also you can give Kapala and Nasya using Vadahara Dravya Siddha Taila. So, that is the Chikitsa for Vadaja Mukhapaga according to Ashtanga. Next comes the Chikitsa according to Susruta Samhita. Vadat Sarvasaram Churner Levanehi Pradisarane Tailam Vadaharehi Siddham Hidam Kapala Nasyayoho Tado Asmei Snehigam Dhumamimam Dadyat Dvichakshanaha Shala Rajadene Eranda Sare Ringuda Madugajaha Majjano Guggulu Dhyama Mamsi Kala Anusharibaha Sri Sarjarasa Shaileya Madhuchistani cha aharet tatsarvam sukritam churnehi snehena alutya yuktitaha dinduka vrindham sakshaudram madimamstena lebayed esha sarvasarehi dhumaha prashastaha snaihigo madaha kabagno marudaknascha mukharoga vinashanaha. So, in Vadaja Sarvasara, Vadat Sarvasaram Churnair Levanehi Pradisareet. So, in Vadaja Sarvasara, you have to do Pradisarana using Levanehi. All the Levana, Pancha Levanas, you can make it into Churna and can do Pradisaranam. And also you can go for Kapala and Nasya using the Taila prepared with Vadahara Dravyas. These two are mentioned in Ashtanga also. The third one is you can go for Snaihika Dhumapanam. Tado Asmehi Snaihikam Dhumamidam Dadyat Vichakshanaha. So, who is an intelligent physician can go for Dhuma, Snaihika Dhuma in Vadaja Mukhabaga. So, for that you have to take all these drugs. Shala Rajadana Eranda Sara Inguda Madhukaja, and you can mix with all this majja you have to take, and you can mix that with Gugulu, Dhyama, Mamsi, Shariba, all these things, Sarjarasa, Shaileya, Madhuchishta, and all you have to mix. These medicines you have to mix, and then you have to make it that sarvam sukritam churnam, and you have to mix that with the you have to make a churna powder of that, and snehena alotya, and mix with the sneha, and you have to apply it on dinduga, you know, right? One among the Dashamulas in Dinduga Vrindam sa Shaudrer Madhimamstena Lebayet. In the stem of the Tinduga, you have to apply this along with the Shaudra and Sneha, and then that Duma you have to give to this Vadaja Mukhapaga. It is also Kabakna and Marudakna. So it is Vadakna and also Kabakna. So all the Mukharogas which is caused by Kapha and Vada, we can give this Duma. So this medicine you have to powder and you have to mix that with Sneha, and then you have to apply on Dinduga stem, Dinduga, that stem portion, and you can go for Duma. You can give Dhumapana using this. So that will reduce Kapha and Vata. So this is according to Susruta Samhita. So here Pradisarna is also mentioning, Kabala Nasya is also, Kabala and Nasya is also mentioning, and also Snaihika Dhumapana, which is only mentioned in Susruta Samhita. That is important. So for Kapha and Vataja type of Mukha Rogas, we can give this Dhumapana. So that is about Vataja, that is stomatitis. Next comes Pittaja Mukhabhaga, that is acute stomatitis. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya, the Lakshana. Mukhasya Pittaje Page Dahoshe Tikta Vakrada Charokshida Kshadak Samavaranaha. Mukhasya Pittaje Page Daha Osha Tikta Vakrata. So what all things will be there if Pitta causing Mukhabhaga? In Pittaja Mukhabhaga, there will be Daha, Osha, and burning sensation, and feverish feel, and also Tikta Vakrata. The tongue it will feel like all things are bitter in taste. Charokshida Shada Sama Pranaha. How the prana will be? It will be like Sarokshida Kshada. Sarokshida Kshada means what? Boil formed because of the Shara. Shara water, if we put Shara water inside the mouth and Vrana is formed, this Vrana is similar to that. So Daha will be there, Osha will be there, and Pitta Vakrata will be there, and the Vrana resembles the Vrana caused by Shara. The burn caused by Shara. So that is Pittaja Mukhabhaga according to Ashtanga Hridaya, and according to Susruta Samhita, Rektehi Sadaher Tanubihi Sapider Yasyaschidam cha api sa Pitta Kopat. Rektehi Sadaher Tanubihi Sapider Yasyaschidam cha api sa Pitta Kopat. So it is Rekta Varna, the Vadana, the Mukha will be full, the mouth will be full red in color. There will be Daham, there will be burning sensation, and it is Tanu, and also it is small, and Sapider Yasyastridam, and inside the Vrana it is Pita Varna and yellow in color, and that is known as Mukhabhaga caused by Pitta dosha. So that is according to Susruta Samhita. So all the mouth looks like full red, but the Vrana will be thin, and also it is Pita Varna, yellowish in color, and there will be Daha, burning sensation. So that type of ulcer, mouth ulcer, is called as Pittaja Mukhabhaga. It is seen in acute stomatitis. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya and Susruta Samhita, the Lakshana. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Paga will be there, Daha, Osha, and Tikta, Vakrada, and the Vrana resembles like the burn caused due to Shara. So that is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. And Rektaja Mukhabhaga, Tatvascha Rektaje. The same Lakshanas can be seen in Rektaja Mukhabhaga also. And the Rektena, that is according to Susruta Samhita, Rektena Pittothida Ega Eva Keshchid Pradishto Mukhabhaga Sapnyaha. Here Ega Eva. So Rektena Pittothida. Rektaja Mukhabhaga is same as Pitta, so we can consider that as one. Ega Eva. So Rektena Pittothida Eka Eva. So Rektaja type the same symptoms like Pitta is seen, so you can consider that both as one. So that's why the number is 3 according to Susruta Samhita. Kejit Pradishto Mukhabhaga Sapnyaha. So that is Rektaja Mukhabhaga. Next comes the Chikilsa. Pittasre Pitta Rektaknaha. Pittasre Pittaja and Rektaja type, you have to go for Pitta and Rektahara Chikilsas. According to Susruta Samhita, Pittatmage Sarvasare Shuddhakayasya Dehinaha Sarvaha Pittaharaha Karyo Vidur Madura Shidalaha Pradisarana Gandushau Dhumaha Samshodhananischa. So Pittatmage Sarvasare Shuddhakayasya Dehinah. So in Pittaja Sarvasara you have to go for a Shodhana of full body. Shuddhakayasya Dehinaha. So detoxification or Shuddha Shodhana should be done for the body by Vamana Vitechana and all. You can go for Shodhana of the body. After that Sarva Pittaharaha Karyam. Then you have to give all the Pittahara treatment. Vidar Madura Shidalaha, and the medicine should be prepared with the Madura Dravyas and Shidala Shida Vida Dravyas. So you can do Pradisarana, Gandusha, Duma and Samshodhana with Madura and Shidala Dravyas, and Pittahara Chikitsa can be given. So Pittahara, using Pittahara Dravyas we can go for Pradisaranam, Gandusham and Duma and Shodhana. So that is Pittaja Sarvasaram. So Pittatmage Sarvasare Shuddhakayasya Dehinaha. So first you have to go for Shodhana of the body. After that we can go for Pittahara Chikitsa. That also Pradisaranam, Gandusham, Dhumam and Shodhana can be given using Madura and Shida Dravyas. That is Pittahara Chikitsa can be given. So this is the Chikitsa for Pittaja Sarvasara and Rektaja Sarvasara. So Pittaja Mukhabhaga and Rektaja Mukhabhaga, you can give Pitta and Rektahara treatment. That also first you have to go for Deha Shodhana, Kaya Shodhana. After that Gandusha, Pradisaranam, Gandusha and Duma can be given with Madura Shidala Dravyas for Pittahara Dravyas. So that is a treatment. The next comes Kafaja Mukhabhaga. Kabaje Madurasyatvam Kandu Mat Pichila Vranaha. Kabaje Madurasyatvam. In Kabaja, Madura Asyatvam. What taste will be there in the tongue? Madura Asyatvam. Madura, sweetness will be there in the mouth. Kandu Mat Pichila Vranaha. There will be itching and the vrana will be pichila. Slimy vrana will be there. So this is chronic stomatitis. So Kabaje Madura Asyatum. So Madura Asyatum will be there in the tongue. They will feel Madura sweetness, and also there will be itching in this vrana, and also Pichilatva will be there in the vrana. This is according to Ashtahridaya. According to Susra Samhita, Kandu Yuder Alparujaihi Savarner Yasyastidam Chavi Savai Kapena. So in Kabaja there will be itching, and Alparujaha, the pain will be less. Savarno, the same color of the mouth only will be same. There won't be any color change. That type of vrana inside the or Mukhabhaga inside the mouth is known as Kabaja Mukhabhaga. So there will be itching and Vedana will be less, and it will be Savarna, same color as the mouth. That type of Mukhabhaga is known as Kabaja Mukhabhaga. So this is the Lakshana for Kabaja Mukhabhaga. Next comes the Chikitsa. Kapaknascha Kabhe Vidhi Likhet Chagadi Patraischa Pidikaha Kadinaha Stiraha. Kapaknascha Kabhe Vidhi. So here we have to go for Kabahara Dravyas. Kabaja Mukhabhaga we have to go for Kabahara Dravyas. Likhet Shagadi Patraischa, and we can go for Lekhana using Shagadi Patra. Shaga Patra you can go for Lekhana. Pidika Kadinaha Stiraha. If the Pidika is hard and it is stable or it is immovable, it is in one place, then you can go for Lekhana using Shagadi Patra. So the Pidika, the vrana or that small pimple like thing will be seen inside the mouth. If that is Kadina and Stira, then we can go for Lekhana using Shagadi Patra. So that is according to Ashtanga, and according to Susra Samhita, Kafatmage Sarvasare Vidim Kuriyat Kafapaham Pibed Adivisham Pada Mustam Cha Suradaru Cha Rohinim Kadukakyam Cha Kudachasya Balanis Cha Gavamutrena Manujo Bagir Dharana Sammidehi Esha Sarva Kapakritan Rogan Yogo Apakarshati. So you can go for Kapatmage Sarvasare Vidum Kuriyat Kapapaham. So Kabahara Chikitsa can be given here also. and you have to pibed, you have to drink. Adivisha, Pada, Musta, Suradaru, Kadurohini, Kudacha, Balanista, Gavamutrena. These dravyas mixed with Gavamutra, that patient we have to give for that. Bhager, Bhager, Manijo, Bhager, Dharane, Sammidehi. So that Gavamutram, cow's urine prepared with these dravya should be given for pibed, the drinking. Esha sarvan kapakridan rogan yoko apakarshati. So all the kapahara treatment can be adopted here. So this is Kapaja Mughabhaga Chikitsa. So Kapaja Mughabhaga, we have to do Kabahara Chikitsa and Lekana. If that is Sthira and Kadina Pidita, then you can go for Lekana using Shakadipatra. And in Ashtanga there is mentioning one yoga using Adivisha, Pada, Musta, Suradaru, Kadurohini, Kudajabala mixed with the Gava Mutra. Ask the patient to drink. That is another yoga for Kabaja Mukhabhaga. Next comes Sannipadaja Mukhabhaga. That is only mentioned in Ashtanga. Mukhabhago Bhavetsa Asrehi Sarvehi Sarvakriti Malehi. So Mukhabhago Bhavet Sa Asrehi Sarvehi Sarvakriti Malehi. So the Sannipadaja Mukhabhaga means it is because of Sarvehi Sa Asrehi Sarvehi Malehi. So it is visheshan of all the three doshas along with Rekta. That is Sannipadaja Mukhabhaga. Sarvakriti, Sarva Lakshana can be seen. All the doshas, all the lakshanas of all the doshas can be seen in this Sannipadaja Mukhabhaga. Chikilsa Yatha doshodayam kuriyat Sannipade chikilsitam. Yatha doshodayam kuriyat. Which dosha predominance is showing, that treatment you have to follow. If Vadaja symptoms are more, you can go for Vadaja. Pittaja are there, you can go for Pittaja, like that. Yes, Yatha doshodayam kuriyat Sannipade chikilsitam. So according to the dosha predominance, you can give chikilsa for Sannipadaja Mukhabhaga. Next comes Urthva Guda. So Urthva Guda, Guda you know, right? It is in the lower part. So Urthva Guda is the upper Guda. So Urthva Guda, that is the disease name. So it may be due to intestinal obstruction. Adaha Pradihado Vayur Arsho Gulma Kafadibihi Yatyurthvam Vakrer Daurgandyam Kurvan Urthagudastu Saha. So Urthaguda is Adaha Pradihado Vayu. The Vayu got blocked down because of Arsha, Gulma and Kapha. So Arsha, Gulma and Kapha causes the obstruction to Vayu through the downward path, and Yat Urthvam Vakram Daurgandyam. So it will come out through Urthva Mukham. Urthva Mukha is Vakram, right? And it will cause Daurgandyam. It will cause smelly Daurgandyam. Kurvan Urtha Gudastu Saha. That is known as Urthva Guda. So Adaha Pradihado Vayu. Adaha Pradihado Vayu means Vayu got obstructed. Will cause because of Arshas, Gulma and Kapha will cause Daurgandyam. Daurgandyam, foul smell in the mouth, is known as Urthva Guda. That disease is known as Urthva Guda. So Urthva Guda is mainly because of intestinal obstruction or something. So Atha, Arsha, Gulma or Kapha will block the Vayu to go through the downward path or downward opening. It will come up and it will cause smell in the mouth, foul smelling in the mouth. That condition is known as Urthva Guda. So this is also mentioned only in Ashtanga Hridaya. So the that is as Asadhya Vyadhi. So there is no Chikilsa mentioned for Urthva Guda. And the next disease is Mukha Arbuda. So carcinoma in the oral, tumor in the oral cavity. That is Mukha Arbuda. Andaha kapolamāsritya shāvapandu kapo arbudam puriya tad khattidam chinnam mrididam cha vivardade. Andaha kapolamāsritya. Kapolam andaha. Andaha kapola means cheek, right? Andaha kapolamāsritya. So end of the cheek. It is the sthana for this mukha arbuda is end of the cheek. Shava Pandu. So it will be Shava Varna, blackish color, or Pandu Varna, whitish color. Kapo Arbudam. It is caused by Kapha, and that is Arbuda. Puryatat Khattidam Chinnam Brididam J Vivardayet. If you do Lekhana Khattidam Chinnam Chedana or Mrididam. If you do Mridita, also it will increase, it will vivardayet, it will come again, that is arbuda, mukha arbuda. So it is caused by kapha and it is seen at the end of the kapola. Andaha kapolamāsritya, the color of that is shava or pandu or mixed. So you can see that two colors, shava and pandu, and white and black, and that is known as arbuda. And if you do excision, or if you do lekhana, or if you do mardana, it will increase. So vivardayet, that condition is known as mukha arbuda. So andaha kapolamāsritya shava pandu kapo arbudam kuryatat khattidam chinnam mrididam cha vivardayet. It will increase after chedana, lekhana and mardana. It is a kabaja vyadhi. And the treatment for mukha arbuda is nave arbude tvak samvride chedide pratisaranam swarjika nagara kshaudrehi kwado gandusha ishyade guluji nimbha kalkotho madhu taila samanvitaha yava annapu tikshna taila nasya abhyanga sthatha ajaret. So nave arbude, the new arbuda, if it is in the initial stage, tvak samvride, tvak samvrida, it is not, it is in an initial stage. Tvak samvride, chedide pradisarana. You can go for chedana and you can do pradisarana using swarjika, nagara and shaudra. So in the initial stage, you can go for chedana and you can do pradisarana using swarjika, nagara and shaudra, and you have to do gandusha using kwada prepared with guduji, nimbha and madhu taila samanvida, mixed with the madhu and taila. So guduji, nimbha, you have to make kashaya. In that madhu and taila you have to add and give for gandusha. And also Yava Anna book. The Yava Anna should be given for ahara. Yava Anna book for food. You have to give Yava Anna. And Tishna Taila Nasya Abhyanjanam Tadha Ajaret. You can go for Nasya and Abhyanga using Tishna Taila. Tishna Taila Nasya Abhyangam Tadha Ajaret. So first you have to go for, if it is Nava, it is in the initial stage, you can go for Chedana, and Pradisarana should be done with Swarjika, Nagara and Kshaudra, and Gandusha can be given using Kwada prepared with Guduji and Nimbha mixed with Madhu and Taila. And also you can give Yava Annam and Tishna Dravya. Using Tishna Dravya, you have to make Taila, and for Nasya and Abhyanga, you can give that in mukha arbuda. So tumors of oral cavity, all the tumors of oral cavity will come under this mukha arbuda. So that is mukha arbuda, lakshana and chikitsa. Next comes the last one is pudi vakrada. Pudi vakrada means foul smell from the mouth. Putyasyatascha tair eva dandakashtadi vidvishaha. That means Putyasyatascha tair eva dandakashtadi vidvishaha. If you are not properly cleaning the teeth, if you are not properly cleaning your mouth, there will be Putyasyata. So if the person is not brushing the teeth and not taking care of the mouth properly, then this disease, this foul smelling will come from the mouth. That is also only mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. and the chikitsa for that is Vamide Pudi Vadane Duma Tishnaha Sanavana Samangha Dadagi Rodra Phalini Patmagir Jalam Davanam Vadana Asya Antar Churniter Avachurnidam Shidada Uvakushoktam Cha Navanadischa Shilayet. So you can go for it turned into a disease, Putyasya. Without cleaning the mouth properly, it is converted to a disease, Putyasya. So we have to go for treatment. There you have to give Vamana and Duma Tishna. Duma can be Tishna, Duma and Tishna Nasya can be given, and you can use Samangha, Dadagi, Rodra, Phalini, Patmaga, that jalam you can use for Davana, washing the mouth, and Vadana Asya Churnider Avachurnanam. These dravyas, these drugs only you have to make it into powder and go for Avachurnana. Avachurnana is dusting of the powder inside the mouth. Then you can go for the treatment Shidada Ubakushoktam cha Navanadischa Shilayet. The Nasya yogas mentioned for Shidada and Ubakusha can also be used here. So in Putyasya patient you can go for Vamana and then Duma and Nasya using Navana, using Tishna Dravyas, and for washing the mouth there is one Yoga, Samanga, Dadagi, Rudra, Balini, Patmagair, Phale, Jalam, and that medicine only you have to make it into powder and use for dusting, that is Avachurnanam, and also Tishna Nasya can be given using Shidada and Ubakusha. Shidada and Ubakusha, the Nasya Yogas are mentioned that Nasya Yogas can also be given in Putyasyada. So foul smelling of the mouth. So these are the treatment for Putyasyada, and there ends the Sarvasara Rogas. So once again, Sarvasara is the disease that is coming in the mouth. So thank you. Hope you all understood the diseases, lakshanas, and the treatment that we can give for this disease along with this comparison. Thank you.